Hello you guys. Today I will be doing another pour using the cloud recipe, and I will be using the DecoArt Americana Metallics. I have a little bit of the Arteza Mars Black left over from another paint that I'm going to just put in there since I had some paint left over. Colors I'll be using today is going to be the berry, okay, pewter, 24 karat gold, and I know I'm not going to pronounce this right, but amethyst. So those are the colors I'll be using today, and I'll be listing them up under the video in the description. So let us be great today. Hopefully this painting turns out as lovely as I want it to, because I wanted some nice bright colors. Okay. I'm hoping that this is enough. So I tried to mix up a lot more today. As I said, I wasn't mixing up enough of the base. Just try to spread it. Okay, let's get started, you guys. First color I'm going to use is berry. And I'm just going to pour it like this in a puddle. Next is my 24 karat gold. Then we have amethyst. We have pewter. And some of that white did drop into my pewter, so hopefully, if anything, it doesn't mess it up. This will probably give me a little bit of a cloud effect there. And then I just have that little bit of black. So I'm going to go in the middle with that little bit of black. Hope this is not a mistake. It's not that much black, so hopefully it won't change anything. Okay, let's tilt. Let me get these colors off of my hands. Okay. Go to the other end. Okay. Come back. Go to this end. And go to this end. Don't know if I should have used that black, you guys. I like those colors without the black. Yeah, I don't like this black. I'm gonna see if it'll come off of there. Well, I didn't get rid of the black. It's still there. And I wish I wouldn't have used it. Like I had the cells, but now they're going, the colors are just mixing together. Okay, I had the cells, and then they just went together. I think maybe I tilted too much. But they were there, had all the colors, and now the colors are just mixing together. Well, there's something that I'm doing wrong. I don't know what it is. I had some nice cells, and now it's just running together. But I have an ombre effect down here at the bottom where the colors are mixing that are nice, but this is no good. Okay, you guys, it was an epic fail the last time, so let's give this a try again. And I'm just gonna put them in any order, it doesn't matter. I just really want it to work. So let's give it another go. Try putting this one down first. have paint everywhere. Okay. I'm going to try to go downward first towards me. I am not going to stretch this one too much, even if it doesn't work. I just don't know if I over scratched it or what the last time. And my table wasn't level, so I had to put some stuff. Let's go a little bit further on that corner. It's not going over the corner. Okay. And let's try to go to another corner. Dang it. Not having too much luck today, guys. Everything that can go wrong seems like it is going wrong. This kind of looks like a rainbow. Okay, I lost all of my pewter. Okay, you guys, this is what I ended up with. Not a cloud pour at all. So as you can see from the video did cut off, but the cloud pour just didn't work with these colors, this metallic DecoArt Americana. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just too thick that I never could get it thin enough, but it just did not work. I did it 2 times and I didn't want to continue to waste the paint. So what I end up doing, I just did a swipe over. And some of the cells in here, you know, are pretty great. It looks pretty good. I didn't know what to think of it, and I just hated for that paint to just go to waste because I did not like it because it didn't do the cloud reaction. So I just went over it. I swiped over it with the my cell activator, which I just used that white Amsterdam, titanium white Amsterdam paint. And so, and this is the swipe over that I ended up with. I also wanted to show you this. So, doesn't this just look like the galaxy? That is so beautiful. Just when I put some plastic on this table, is the wrong time. So now I wouldn't be able to get that paint up, you know, as a skin because it stick to the plastic. But it just reminds me of the galaxy. It is so beautiful because it has purple, pink, and you know, the gold flakes in there. It is so beautiful. Now that is a painting that I wouldn't mind having. That is so nice. And then this is beautiful as well. I love that. So it didn't turn out the way I wanted, guys, but I still feel like I got something nice out of it. things don't always work out according to plan. Sometimes you end up with something better than you thought you would have created in the first place. And now this kind of looks like a butterfly. Oh, I just was having a time that day with that cloud pour. Nothing seemed to be working for me. Nothing at all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, you guys.